Hi, this is Tom with Selkcomm. This is a 2004 Ford F350 Super Duty Supercab. It has the diesel motor, 78,000 original miles on this vehicle, really low miles. I have a service history report. It's about 7 or 8 pages long that shows scheduled maintenance about every 3,000–4,000 miles. I mean, this truck runs fantastic. It's been maintained extremely well. We've been through it end to end. The brakes are fresh. The tires are in very good condition. This was an oil field services truck, welding truck. It's got a Champion air compressor on the back, gas powered, and it works great. Lots of nice cabinet. Some of the nicest cabinets I think I've ever seen. It's just really heavy duty. On top here too. It's got the it can accommodate the oxygen and acetylene tanks back here, and it's got the hoses that go to the back for gas welding. It's got a electric welder as well. There's the clamps for that. Has a nice lift-more crane, electric crane. Works great. £2,700 lift capacity, so we'll get the job done for you. Nice air hose here. Air compressor puts out just a lot of pressure, builds up pressure real fast. So. Okay. Got the welder there. It works. More storage space. Yeah, I can't get a lot of light on this interior, but the interior is in good shape. It's nice and clean. As I said, we've been through this truck from end to end. There are no issues. Truck is tight, handles really well. Let me get over here and fire it up so you can hear it run. It is. And it runs just like it looks. Transmission shifts very smooth and crisp. Let me try to get a picture of this. There's absolutely no blow-by on this motor at all. So all fresh fluids and filters. This is a great service truck. I mean, it'll do it all. If you have a welding company, or if you're if you work in the oil fields, this truck's ready to go to work right now. No issues, and it's set up to do just about anything. This is Tom with Selkcomm. You can call me at area code 915-244-2871. And I do appreciate your looking. Thanks a lot.